Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the Ultimate Running Belt Bag Water Fitness Sports Gear Large. Okay, so it comes with a cooling towel. It comes with a hydration bottle. And then it comes with our belt that we'll be able to wear. And this is a large size one, so I am about 180 pounds. So let's see how good a large size one fits. So let's just put this on for fun here. Should be able to fit me. So there we go. And yeah, it's fine. Okay, so that's what it looks like here. So it fits on me there. I'm gonna take it off to show you guys some of the features. Boy, that Velcro is strong. Okay, it's got really strong. It's only got this part here and then the rest is fuzzy, but man, it clipped on there. They're strong. Okay, and then, sorry if the camera's moving, my vacuum is driving around. Okay, so we have a little section here to put our credit cards, money, whatever we want into this section here. So that's kind of a nice section there. It is kind of expandable down the bottom. And then we have the big section here to put our, oh, I guess I just closed it. Put our hydration bottle in. So that's the bottle that we got in there. So we can put that inside of the running belt here. And you see it's curved, so it's gonna form fit around my body. Put it in there. So if I push this, let's see. There we go. I probably should have put it on the other side, but whatever. So here we go. In there, zip up. Okay, so there, it's zipped up. And it's like that inside of it there. And then I can put that around me. So you see we've got the curvature there, so it's going to curve around my body a little bit. It's good. And then there we go. And then we have, so actually I wear it down a little bit, so it's down there. And then I have my little cooling towel, which is like this, and it looks like it's got a little mesh look here. Oops, sorry. Right there on that side. And so it's kind of cool. So it's nice. So you get the whole setup of everything. You got the belt, and then the water bottle here, so when you need a drink, you can just get a drink, you can have that with you, and the belt, and you can have some money and whatnot in there as well. So really cool, nice little setup. And then you have a little pocket in here. Maybe that's where you put the water. You put the water in there. You put, the water bottle fits better in there for sure. Okay, so we can put the water in that section there, in that end section, and then we can use this big section for our phone or something else. So I've got lots of different choices and ways to do it. So I guess these two sections are right about the same size. Let's see. Yeah, the water bottle section might be slightly bigger. So there you go. So it fits in there pretty easy. Really nice. Nice belt. So this is what I'll be using now when I do my runs. Thumbs up.